You must know it before. Welcome. What are the greatest scientific discoveries of all time? All scientific discoveries are amazing, and some are truly life-changing. To give science some extra love, as if we could love it anymore, we have looked back on our conversations and interviews with our life science community to see which scientific discoveries you think are the greatest. From penicillin to genome editing to CRISPR, here's a roundup of the greatest scientific discoveries of all time, in no particular order. The greatest scientific discoveries of all time are. But last one is very amazing and even you can discover it anytime. If you liked, please subscribe for more. Let's begin with the name of Allah Almighty. 1. Genome editing. It has given scientists the power to surgically remove, and just as excitingly, monitor the activity of genes and the regulatory elements that control them. This has been an absolute game changer for understanding the mechanisms underlying how biological systems work, but also the diseases that disturb them. Excitingly, some of these efforts are even in clinical trials and hopefully slowly working their way into the clinic. 2. CRISPR, clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. I think it is the versatility of CRISPR that makes it the greatest discovery of all time. CRISPR can be used to edit, knock out, inhibit and activate genes. 3. RNA sequencing. Being able to sequence the transcriptome of cells from different physiological conditions has opened the door for identifying critical molecular markers for such disease states and will greatly aid in the development and/or identification of therapeutics. 4. Penicillin. Penicillin. Where would we be without antibiotics? Not only did it save so many lives, but it jump-started antibiotic drug discovery, which has helped evolve all modern medicine. 5. The molecular structure of DNA. So much of our modern-day research revolves around genetics, from pinpointing the causes of genetic disorders, such as Huntington's disease, to manipulating the genome of animal models and observing how this affects their behaviors. Even outside of life sciences, DNA profiling has changed the world of forensic science to improve the criminal justice systems. 6. Electricity. For humankind, probably the discovery of electricity, but I wish we weren't so dependent on it. For the good of pure science, I think the discovery of evolution and DNA is pretty incredible, and we still have more to discover. 7. Levodopa. As a Parkinson's researcher, levodopa crosses the blood-brain barrier and gets converted to dopamine, which gives really fast symptomatic relief to PD patients who lack dopamine-producing cells. Such a simple idea, and it works absolutely beautifully, for a few years anyway. 8. Painkillers and anesthetic. That you can stop a headache with a pill, be cut open during an operation, or even have a limb removed without your mind registering pain is incredible. 9. Vaccines. They have prevented countless numbers of deaths and diseases, all because of one man and a cow. 10. Our ability for teamwork. We all know the big and great discoveries and scientists, but science is part of us all and should be shared by us all. Perhaps then the greatest discovery really is our ability for teamwork. This is what really created all those world-changing findings. Thanks for watching.